my dad and I had to start over. So one day Rusty and Diesel 199 puffed in if they finished their jobs correctly. Diesel 199 left first, but he had to pull one more truck. Rusty was pulling the Napper Station. It's called Napper Station, sorry. Right on time. Hey, stop right there with our topping out on YouTube. Just kidding, bye. Hey, Chicky. Hey, that's not nice. You have caused confusion on the way. Sorry, sir. Apology expected. Stephanie, my dad's phone number is 78626. Okay. Hey, what's your dad's phone number? My dad's phone number is 786. Said the conductor. 269, okay. 269, okay. 786-269-6669. Okay, thank you for your phone number. Here! Camper. You got confusion and you too, Diesel 199. So, Diesel 199. Here comes Diesel 199 for tournament. I'm exploding your thing. Minecraft, that was only Minecraft. That was a story of Thomas and friends one day. Now here comes Diesel 199 and Rusty left the station. I have your phone number here. Rusty did the whistle. They were going to sing Railway Line because they're both the same and they both are the same engines. One day, Diesel 199 had to collect some Rockies and he went in his restaurant, but he had to go to the Blue Mountain Quarry to collect some trucks. He passed that first station, past those three-wheel switches, past Rocky's sign, and past there, and past that first station again, past there, and he arrived at Blue Mountain Quarry, which is not as far. I'm missing something. Now, they were all gonna load this crane. They waited until... Where's that? Oh, I guess I could look. Now he lifts up the crane and loaded on Rusty the Now he was almost there. He just the screen switch and what he said. top the uncouple too long. Because it. Rusty's lighthouse fell off the truck. So Rocky had to lift it and also its car, but these were 99 years long, so he had to stand out of the car. Yeah, there he is. We're going. There you are, Rusty. He was very. Go faster! He said to himself. But the girl was correctly now. Here it comes. So he left Rocky inside there. Now, back to the sheds. There, yeah. He coupled up and Rusty pond. Look at the haircut. Now they want 2 sheds, but Rusty had to keep his trucks in there. So, so now thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a good time.